AI is everywhere, but what can you actually do with it to make money? In 2025, AI isn't just for tech geniuses, it's for anyone with a laptop and ambition. I've spent $10,000 testing the best AI tools, so you don't have to. This video is your step-by-step guide to turning your computer into a money-making machine. We'll cover the 5 most powerful, beginner-friendly AI tools you need to start using right now. I'll show you exactly how each tool works and how to use them to earn real income. Ready to stop watching and start earning? Let's dive in. First up, we have ChatGPT. This powerful tool is revolutionizing the way we approach content creation and online business. It's not just a chatbot, it's a versatile AI assistant that can help you in countless ways. It's the ultimate AI writing assistant, capable of generating high-quality text on a wide range of topics. Think of it as your personal writing partner, available 24/7 to help you craft compelling content. It can write blog posts, crafting engaging narratives and informative articles that capture your audience's attention. Whether you need a short blog post or a long-form article, ChatGPT can handle it. Scripts, bringing your stories to life with well-structured scenes and compelling dialogue. It can assist with outlining, character development, and even generating entire scenes. Emails, saving you time and effort by drafting professional and persuasive messages. From marketing emails to customer support responses, ChatGPT can help you communicate effectively. And even brainstorm business ideas in seconds, helping you identify promising opportunities and develop innovative concepts. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas. Here's how you make money: by leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities to offer valuable services to clients. Offer writing services on Upwork or Fiverr, connecting with clients who need high-quality content. These platforms provide a vast marketplace for freelance writers, and ChatGPT can give you a competitive edge. Use ChatGPT to generate drafts, quickly creating initial versions of articles, blog posts, and other content. This saves you time and allows you to focus on refining and improving the text. Then polish them with Grammarly, ensuring that your writing is error-free and professional. Grammarly's advanced grammar and style-checking tools will help you refine your writing and make it shine. You don't need a writing degree to succeed with ChatGPT. All you need is a willingness to learn and experiment. Just good prompts and a bit of editing. Crafting effective prompts is key to getting the best results from ChatGPT, and a little editing can go a long way in ensuring the quality of your work. ChatGPT can also help you brainstorm business ideas, name your YouTube channel, or come up with catchy slogans for your brand. Or even write basic code, assisting you with simple programming tasks and helping you learn the fundamentals of coding. Start small, offer to write a blog post for a friend or family member, gaining experience and building your portfolio. Then scale up to multiple clients, gradually increasing your workload and earning potential. As you gain experience and build a reputation, you can attract more clients and charge higher rates. With ChatGPT, you can build a content agency from your bedroom, working from anywhere in the world and setting your own hours. The free version is powerful enough to get started, allowing you to explore its capabilities and experiment with different writing tasks. Use it for ad copy, crafting compelling and persuasive advertisements that drive conversions. Course outlines, structuring your online courses in a logical and engaging manner. Or marketing scripts, anything content related. If it involves words, ChatGPT can likely help you create it more efficiently and effectively. The more you use it, the more opportunities you'll see, as you discover new ways to leverage its capabilities and streamline your workflow. Sign up, experiment, and start offering your services. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. This is the foundation of any modern online business, providing you with the tools and resources you need to succeed in today's digital landscape. Get in now, opportunity is everywhere. The world of AI-powered content creation is rapidly evolving, and now is the perfect time to get involved and start building your own online business. Next up, we're diving into Canva Magic Studio, a game-changing suite of tools designed to transform the way you approach graphic design. It's not just about creating visuals, it's about unlocking your creative potential with the power of artificial intelligence. Think of it as your AI-powered graphic designer, ready to assist you in every step of the creative process. From brainstorming ideas to refining your final product, Magic Studio is there to lend a helping hand. No design skills? No problem at all. That's the beauty of Canva Magic Studio. It's designed for everyone, regardless of their background or experience level. Canva's AI tools empower you to create stunning visuals in minutes, not hours. Imagine turning your creative ideas into reality with just a few clicks, freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business or personal projects. Need to adapt your designs for different platforms? Use Magic Resize to instantly adapt designs for any platform, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Magic Resize ensures your content always looks its best, no matter where it's being viewed. Offer design services to businesses that need eye-catching social media graphics, helping them elevate their online presence and attract new customers. With Canva's AI-powered automation, you can handle multiple clients and projects simultaneously and let Canva do the heavy lifting. Magic Design takes the guesswork out of creating professional-looking templates. Simply upload a single photo, and Magic Design generates professional templates from it. Then, just tweak and deliver. It's that simple. Sell packages like 30 Instagram posts for $300, providing valuable content to your clients while generating a steady stream of income for yourself. Thanks to Canva's intuitive interface and AI-powered tools, you can complete them in an afternoon, maximizing your efficiency and profitability. Build your own brand with pro-level logos and posts, creating a cohesive and visually appealing identity that sets you apart from the competition. Or, take it a step further and start a social media agency with almost no overhead, leveraging Canva's affordable tools to provide high-quality services to businesses of all sizes. Find clients by spotting businesses with weak branding, identifying opportunities to showcase your skills, and transform their online presence. Then, craft a compelling pitch that highlights the value you can bring to their business. Canva democratizes design. Anyone can look like a pro, regardless of their prior experience or technical skills. Try it out and see how easy it is to make money with great visuals, turning your creative passion into a profitable venture. Design is now a high-value, low-barrier side hustle, offering a flexible and rewarding way to earn extra income while honing your creative skills. Ever dreamed of making money on YouTube, but the thought of being on camera makes you cringe? Meet Pictory, your secret weapon for creating engaging YouTube content without ever showing your face. Pictory takes your scripts, articles, or even blog posts and transforms them into polished, professional-looking videos automatically. It intelligently selects relevant stock footage, adds background music, and even includes natural-sounding AI voiceovers. Forget about expensive equipment or hiring voice actors. With Pictory, you can create faceless channels in a variety of popular niches, like Top 10 Facts, Everyone Loves a Good List, or Guided Meditations. Tap into the booming wellness market. And the best part? You can easily monetize your channels with ads and strategically placed affiliate links within your video descriptions. Kickstart your content creation by using ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts, then let Pictory take over, handling all the visual elements and providing compelling narration. The key to success on YouTube is consistency. Build multiple channels, each focused on a specific niche, and maintain a regular uploading schedule. AI makes the entire process incredibly fast and easily scalable, allowing you to grow your YouTube presence exponentially. Forget about investing in expensive cameras, microphones, or lighting equipment. Pictory and 11 Labs work together seamlessly to provide realistic, high-quality AI voices that will captivate your audience. Each video you create becomes a valuable digital asset, working for you around the clock and generating passive income while you sleep. Maximize your earnings by monetizing your videos with AdSense and strategically incorporating affiliate links into your video descriptions. This diversified approach creates multiple revenue streams, ensuring a more stable and profitable YouTube business. With just your laptop and an internet connection, you're building a fully-fledged media company from the comfort of your own home. No expensive film crew or complicated equipment required. So, if you're camera shy, introverted, or simply want to automate your content creation process and free up your time, Pictory is the perfect tool for you. It's time to start building your YouTube empire, one faceless video at a time. All you need is a script and the power of Pictory to unlock your YouTube potential. Generating passive income has never been this accessible or this easy. Jasper AI is your go-to for high-converting marketing and sales copy. It's trained on billions of ads, emails, and landing pages. Think of it as your expert copywriter. Use Jasper's templates for Facebook ads, product descriptions, and email campaigns. Offer complete marketing packages and let Jasper generate the copy. Scale your agency by managing multiple clients. Jasper makes it fast and effective. The investment pays off with your first client. Even beginners can use Jasper's guided templates to create persuasive copy. Match any brand's voice and deliver results that boost sales. Use frameworks like Ada to write ads that convert. Just fill in the details and go. If you want to run a marketing agency or freelance at a high level, Jasper is your secret weapon. Deliver premium services and charge premium rates with AI-powered copy. Notion AI is your productivity powerhouse and a passive income goldmine. Notion is an all-in-one workspace, but the real money is in selling Notion templates. Use Notion AI to build smart, functional templates like dashboards, planners, or trackers. Sell your templates on Gumroad or Etsy for $20, $50, or more. Do the work once, sell it infinitely true passive income. Use AI to brainstorm, write instructions, and generate sample content for your templates. The market is huge. Millions want to be more organized and productive. Find a niche, create a solution, and let Notion AI help you stand out. Organize your own business with Notion as your central hub. Turn your love for productivity into a scalable, automated income stream. Here's your AI starter pack recap: ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Pictory for YouTube, Jasper for marketing, and Notion for passive income. These tools are powerful, beginner-friendly, and proven to make money. Don't try to master all 5 at once. Pick one, commit, and build your first income stream. If this video helped, hit like and comment below. Which AI tool will you start with? Subscribe for more ways to turn your screen time into income time. Thanks for watching. Now go make it happen.